Audio Jungle.
Good morning everyone. You are watching the news with me PUPUT Putri Pamungkas. We will bring you the most update news from G20 in Bali. Delegation from 19 countries and European Union gathered in Indonesia for the annual G20 leaders summit. The weeks amid hidden geopolitical rivalries and crises in several regions around the world. President of the United States US Joe Biden will meet Chinese leader Xi Jinping face-to-face Monday, 14 November 2022. This is the first time since Biden took office that the two hands of states have met in person.
Big week in diplomacy in Asia continues with a meeting between the world's two most powerful men. President Biden has been in Cambodia for a summit with close Asian leaders inspired by whether the expand result for his party in the midterm election. China's Xi Jinping has also been strengthened by calm after being confirmed as his national leader for another 5 years. Tensions have been running high. The Chinese leader still angered by the summer's trip to Taiwan by the U.S. Speaker Nancy Pelosi on North Korea. U.S. believes China not bringing all of its influence to bear to rein in Kim Jong-un, who's been conducting and provocative series of small tests. Of course, perhaps the most important of issue of all that will be discussed in the war in Ukraine. China has not condemned Russia, but as is surely comfortable about the way it always has been behaving.
I know Xi Jinping. I spent more time with any other world leader. I know him well. He knows me. There's no, we have very little misunderstanding. We just got to figure out where the red lines are and what are the most important things to each of
On
us.
news of the G20 gather held Tuesday, Russia President Putin will not be in Bali and instead will be represented by his foreign minister Sergei Lavrov. The UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres was also on this way to Bali to MIPA. He left me New York. He didn't think was the possible a major diplomatic breakthrough.
I believe still a certain way to go. Peace is, of course, the objective of us all. Peace in line with international law and with UN Charter. But I think that we are still relatively away from it.
Alright everyone, that's all the news. I hope it will be useful for my viewers. I am PUPUT Putri Pamungkas. Permission to say goodbye and see you.